Then Elon Musk's mail, you see.
I think this should be independent from but supported by YC, not what sound like a subsidiary. Also, the structure doesn't seem optimal in particular. The YC stock along with the salary plan, the non-profit muddies the alignment of incentives. Probably better to have a standard C cooperative with a parallel non-profit.
Understand this? Elon's suggestion. So Elon's thing is, I think this should be independent from but supported by YC. Elon is having that business sense, which is helpful. Sam is having that AI sense and banana kya chahta hai? Not what sounds like a subsidiary. Then he says, your structure does not look good. Very clear on thought. Salary from non-profit and equity of other company. He said does not make sense. YC is independent and this AI company is independent. You're getting salary from here and equity from there. If this company does good, you're not getting more. But if that company does good, you do more. So where would you focus at as a researcher? So Sam का original plan था कि उनको इधर भी लगाते हैं, इधर भी लगाते हैं. जो हम भी कभी-कभी गलती करते हैं, लोग ये भी कर लें, ये भी कर लें. Because money is in this company, but future is this company. OpenAI does not have money. YC had money. If we want to pay people, I want people to work in YC. But we want to grow OpenAI, which is a standard problem. This is the same problem we face.
Yes.
So he said probably better to have a standard C corp. Elon said don't go for non-profit और ये सब मत करो. दो कंपनियों को mix मत करो. Go a separate one. Have a new brand. Always advised. Elon's advice. Right?